Hello everyone! In this lesson, we are going to look at plural pronouns. They, them, their, and theirs. Let's begin. When we talk about more than one person, we say they, them, their, or theirs. First, let's practice replacing nouns with the pronoun they. My friends. My friends tell me jokes. My friends are funny. My friends make me laugh. Let's read the story again. This time, let's replace the noun my friends with the pronoun they. Let's read together. My friends. They tell me jokes. They are funny. They make me laugh. My teachers. My teachers are helpful. My teachers help me read. My teachers help me write. Now it's your turn to practice. Can you fill in the blanks with the pronoun they? Go ahead. That's right. Let's read together. My teachers. They are helpful. They help me read. They help me write. Great work. Next, let's practice replacing nouns with pronoun them. My grandparents. I help my grandparents. I ask my grandparents to tell me stories about the past. I love my grandparents. Let's read that again. This time, let's replace the noun my grandparents with the pronoun them. My grandparents. I help them. I ask them to tell me stories about the past. I love them. Great work. Puppies. I have 2 puppies. I built a doghouse for my puppies. I buy treats for my puppies. I buy food for my puppies. Why don't you try? Replace the noun puppies with the pronoun them. Go ahead. You did it! Let's read together. Puppies. I have 2 puppies. I built a doghouse for them. I buy treats for them. I buy food for them. Great work! Next, let's practice them, their, and theirs together. My cousins. This is their car. Or you can say, this car is theirs. Or you can say, this car belongs to them. This is their house. Or you can say, this house is theirs. Or you can say, this house belongs to them. Now it's your turn to practice. Let's put them all together. They, them, their, and theirs. Meet Brandon and Christy. Brandon and Christy are my cousins. I love spending time with Brandon and Christy. These are Brandon and Christy's parents. Can you fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns? Go ahead. That's it. Let's read together. Meet Brandon and Christy. They are my cousins. I love spending time with them. These are their parents. Well done. That is all for this lesson. You did amazing. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know what plural pronouns are. I can replace nouns with pronouns they, them, their, and theirs appropriately.